Hello my friends, welcome to Trading Weekends. Today is 16th of June 2025. So today Bursa morning quite weak KLCI, but evening went back a bit. But you look at the sector and look at the gainers actually, and the volume actually today is quite weak okay. And but somehow KLCI just turned positive with a small volume okay. And globally we know that the war escalating now between Israel and Iran. And this morning I post some video that this I post some update in my Facebook that this Israel started to attack these facilities utilities, all these things in Iran including oil asset oil refinery, all those things so there is more tension on this potential can elevate how do you call that elevate elevate the this oil price so there's a concerning but actually Iran oil does not impact the global supply that much because there is sanction on Iran oil so not every country can buy the Iran oil but there is still impact there is still impact on this oil price, all these things. Okay, a quick disclaimer before I continue. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, let's go through KLCI. Now it's 4:30 okay, market not yet closed but almost closed okay. Now it's 1519 actually. Bursa KLCI up 1.28 points, 0.8084%. Singapore dropped 0.068%. Hong Kong up 0.705%. South Korea up 1.798%. Japan up 1.261%. Thailand dropped 0.401%. China FTSE up 0.231%. China SSE up 0.347%. China SXSE up 0.409%, Australia up 0.012%, Taiwan dropped 0.104%, and this India up 0.912%. So Asia not bad today, quite strong actually. Okay, it's quite positive. UK FTSE up 0.286%, DAX German up 0.283%, and slightly positive also Europe. Last Friday of course okay, last Friday we know the war started, so this US normally will drop okay. Dow Jones dropped 1.792%, NYSE dropped 1.081%, S&P dropped 1.130%, and Nasdaq dropped 1.3%. Not too bad. Okay, actually not that bad Okay, we expect actually it drop more because now US staying out of the conflict so that's why it didn't impact that much. Dollar against ringgit up a bit, dollar 4.2450, and sorry, crude palm oil 3,861. Brent oil dropped a little bit, 73. Crude oil 72, still above 70 Gold 3,435. Silver 36.49, still high. Dollar 4.2450. Bitcoin up 106 and Ethereum up 2623 Also looks like they are the risk asset and the safe haven did not go up so much, and the risk asset starting to go up so they maybe there's a chance for a shorten this conflict or there is a chance maybe Iran might want to go to might want to strike a deal with US on this in this uranium enrichment this thing okay, this nuclear power development and also
and also I mean there are other potential that there is a lot of this how do you call it a lot of these people might, there's just rumors that the current government might be losing control, and there are these the crown prince might come back and take control of the country. That there's just rumors so we don't know yet okay. Okay, so let's check out this Bursa. Okay, 1520 now is 2.37 points up okay, 2.685 billion volume. Sentiment is 30 only okay, gainers 287, losers 657, unchanged 478, and untrade 993. Today foreign fund last Friday foreign fund sold 212 million, quite a lot. Local institution bought 214 million, and local retail bought 3 million. Sold 2 million, net sell 3 million. And okay, today still the oil the oil are the one that is strong. Okay, next G also quite strong. Let's see next G got any breakout or not. No, not yet, no breakout yet. Okay, so let's check out. Look at the sector. Okay, construction, oil in percentage, construction dropped 0.13, consumer dropped 0.43, energy up 1.49. Expected okay. Finance, because they this Israel also strike this oil facility in this Iran okay. Healthcare dropped 1.86, industry dropped 0.17, plantation up 1.91. So now plantation only starting to move, right? Because you know they are a bit related when the energy go up, plantation, palm oil might go up because it's an alternative to oil okay. Property dropped 0.68, REIT up 0.24, technology drop again 1.4, telco up 0.63, transportation up 0.56, and utilities drop 0.22. Okay. KLCI. Okay. KLSE we have dropped, but they are trying to push it up today. They managed to push it to positive. Okay. So this one we are not. It's not totally negative yet okay. So they managed to push it up today. Okay. Ace market also they are trying to support here also support here. Okay, not let it drop any lower, 4440 but today Monday small volume, we have to wait another day tomorrow to see whether it can really we can really have this momentum or not. Mid cap drop 0.52 also they are pushing it up during closing. Small cap also they are pushing it up during closing, drop 0.48. Look at the energy sector so energy sector actually went up quite high okay. When they hit resistance, now we got a small retracement but as I said we got a head and shoulder as long as stay above this shoulder, we should be okay as long as stay above this shoulder, I think we should be okay okay. Around 740 as long as stay above the 740, I think it should be fine okay. Or actually here okay, 729 around 730 as long as stay above there, I think it's fine okay. As long as stay above there, I think it's fine okay. We drop below, then we have to start, we have to be careful a little bit okay. So there is a big resistance here okay, this downtrend line so that's why it almost reached this area, right? This area, so it got some resistance okay, it got some resistance around this area okay. But so far it's still okay Plantation, let's see Plantation. Okay, Plantation might be turning around. Okay, Plantation might be turning around. It's almost trying to break out. Okay, it's almost trying to break out this trend line. So Plantation might be coming. Why? Because as I said, when the oil price go up, normally palm oil we got chance to go up also. Okay. Because it's a replacement, not to say totally can replace oil but you can consider it's one of the replacement Okay, 7380 Okay, I put the alert here. If you break through, okay, then maybe you got chance 7380. The palm oil might start to move back to the top channel Okay. Technology continue to drop, expected because we still have to nego the this one with the US okay, the tariff. Okay, so I have to wait and see Look at Facebook. This one Neta automaker set to enter bankruptcy reorganization in China so there's this China EV war very intense okay, very intense that a lot of these Chinese EV car maker is having difficulty financial difficulty. Okay. Then the latest one we got we got last year also we got one I think what's the company Jiyun something also went down also. This one now potentially Neta also going down but we have to see what happen Okay, whether they can successfully reorganize the whole company. This one right, report that highlight that Israel hit Iran oil and gas asset so that's why this one you have to take. So there's potential that the oil price will be elevated Okay. Chu He Han Jie. I don't really understand. Okay, Andy, what ROFL? What's this? Trump and who? Multiverse. Trump, Elon Musk and who? Andy. Andrew, this is scam okay. You want to be my friend KS is it real you scammer? Use your photo. These are all scammer I will not send message to you without you sending to me. I will not ask to be your friend. I will not SMS you. I will not WhatsApp you. Unless you WhatsApp me, I reply to you, or you messenger, you send to me, I will reply to you. I will not myself, I will not purposely go and tag you, go and ask you, go and send WhatsApp to you, ask you to join anything. No, okay, I will not contact you unless you contact me first. All these most likely are all scammer. Okay, all these are most likely a scammer. I will not ask you to be your friend, all these things so do take note unless you contact me first okay, so do take note this is not me okay. A lot of scammer nowadays this YouTube suddenly a lot of scammer. Drink energy say Tan another poem 一以开战that's me too. Poem you got poem then ask me to see this 9172 FBI okay. Very creative ask question also he do a poem first. FBI susah FBI after it come back to the bottom channel, any rebound I think run you might have a double bottom here FBI might so might any rebound I think you run I think come back to 2 ringgit, all this. So any rebound I run. Okay. No IC, KV, ND. The misery. So small volume today, what to do? Now only 2.7 billion only lah. So not much to expect lah. Okay. Not much to expect lah. So small volume. Look at some news.
Public Invest. OPR cut likely in Q3. REIT's outlook neutral.
Okay, so Public Bank say likely lah, 25 basis point lah. Okay, 0.25 cut lah, probably on Q3 lah. Okay, for bank negara lah. Okay.
Net outflow of offshore funds from Bursa Malaysia rises to RM 444.4 mil.
4 million. So a lot still foreign funds still selling. Looks like the selling street very heavy. Okay. This is one of the longest selling street and one of the biggest volume selling street that we the few years that we do video. Okay. The few years that we do this is one of the most selling. Okay.
OCBC extends RM 351 mil financing for projects in Johor, Singapore SEZ.
So they want to develop this one, Johor, Singapore Special Economic Zone.
Taiwan adds China's Huawei SMIC to export blacklist.
Okay. So now no trade war starting lah. Not only US so others also like joining.
Taiwan has put Chinese tech giant Huawei and chip titan SMIC on an export blacklist, further squeezing Beijing's access to the technology needed to build the most advanced chips. Huawei and Semiconductor Manufacturing International Corp were among 601 entities added to Taiwan's Strategic High-Tech Commodities Entity List. The Ministry of Economic Affairs International Trade Administration said Sunday.
Okay.
Shanghai metals slip amid Israel-Iran tensions, mixed China data.
Okay, so
Berjaya Land inks plans for residential housing in Greenland.
okay.
Berjaya Land BHD via its wholly owned subsidiary Berjaya Greenland Invest AS has inked a collaboration with SIBSSD NBHD to deliver modular housing in Greenland.
So Berjaya Land not looking so good lah. Berjaya Land is the long term okay. It really fallen above. I mean, it already changed to a downtrend from an uptrend It really fallen below this support line this support trend line. So doesn't look doesn't look strong Okay.
Anwar sees no urgent need to reshuffle economy ministry after Rafizi's departure.
Okay. So confirm he already left already PC. Or left or leaving 16, right? I think he's leaving 16 or 18. But he said he take leave until the leave so he's not going back to office anyway.
Malaysia to spend RM 43 bill on grid upgrades to support clean energy, says Anwar.
There's a lot of money. 43 billion.
Global oil prices surge amid escalating conflict around Strait of Hormuz, Petronas.
Okay. There Middle East there so they also scared all these cannot transport oil Okay.
China's new home prices fell in May, extending a 2-year-long stagnation, official data showed on Monday, highlighting challenges in the sector despite several rounds of policy support measures.
Okay, so China home price still dropping lah, okay, despite all the support from the government.
Sales tax on palm kernel oil could increase input costs of Malaysian oleochemicals players, CIMB Securities.
So the SST will affect quite a few things. So more and more news coming out talking about this SST could affect prices.
Malaysia's oleochemical sector could face increased input costs starting July 1st, as palm kernel oil, previously exempt from the sales and service tax, SST, will now be subject to a 5% sales tax. According to CIMB Securities, the House said the revised tax also applies to refined, bleached and deodorized, RBD, palm kernel oil and palm kernel shell, which have been reclassified under the expanded SST framework, affecting 4,800 harmonized system codes. It remains unclear whether the industry will seek exemptions for these products. The 5% sales tax could erode the competitiveness of Malaysia's oleochemical industry by increasing raw material costs. Although some of the additional cost may be passed on to buyers, said the House in a note on Monday.
Okay.
SLVEST JV secures 25-year solar plant deal in Brunei.
Okay.
SLVEST Holdings BHD, KL, SLVEST, has, via a joint venture, JV company, secured a 25-year power purchase agreement, PPA, with the government of Brunei to invest in, build, and operate a 30 MWAC solar photovoltaic power plant, which will be the largest such plant in Brunei upon its completion by end 2026.
Okay, but there's a lot of resistance here. It's very high to chase. Maybe still can go a bit. Still got some room to go. Looking at this target here, the 20%, but the all-time high, the previous high here is only a few percent. So I'm not very keen to chase unless you have a bigger drop. I'm not very keen to chase. Okay, this one, even though they got all this project. Okay. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Okay, a lot of you watch the channel but you haven't subscribed. Okay, remember every day I got video. Remember, subscribe first. A quick message. Quick message. Like, share. Yeah.
Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link, you can get some reward, some discount, all these things. So you want to open account with CGS to invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a remiser, very friendly guy. Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, the Luno, you want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using, you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link. Okay.
Okay, top gainers. Of course, we get to look at this HIBISCS HENGYUAN Petron. These are the few, and Dayang. These are the few. Oh yeah, we have to look at take a quick look at this crypto. Okay, so crypto we got support at 105. Now it looks like we got pin bar, and it's turning around. Okay, pin bar is breaking up. Look like Bitcoin potential making the next move. Okay, Ethereum, but still inside this flag pattern, which I'm not very happy. Okay, but Bitcoin, as long as it's rebounding, it's still okay. Litecoin also starting to small rebound. And Solana still haven't break this. Solana best you need to break out from this channel first. Okay, break on the channel. I think the big area is 164. 165, especially we break through 165, but it's starting to rebound. Okay, we got some divergence here, so looks slight positive. Okay. Okay, but I mean the 111 is still the big resistance but at least we are not dropping. We got pin bar support here at 105 so they are supporting at 105, so we got chance to continue up. Okay, let's look at the energy lah. Coaster, nothing much. Dayang so also up a bit but still haven't break 2 ringgit, but still okay for now. Delium quite strong. Oh, Delium, wow, this is stronger than expected lah. Trying to break out 164. I think if we break out 164 maybe you can get jackpot lah, but I'm not very keen. I'm more keen on the other field lah. Okay, but I'm not that keen on this one. But maybe you can break out 164. Now it's at 1.64 lah. If you can break up 1.64, maybe you can go lah, but I'm not very keen on this one lah. Okay, because it's still very high lah. Okay, it's very high. Okay, Dialog. Okay, Dialog also might got a chance to come back to 1.77. If break 1.77, we got head and shoulder. Maybe you can go higher. Okay. Hengyuan not as strong. Hengyuan still unable to break through. You see this line? I told you this line 1.9 2 ringgit area lah. So trying to break through, still come back down lah. Okay, still not very convincing lah. Hibiscus look better lah. Hibiscus after break the high here, Hibiscus still going lah. Okay, still going. Hibiscus 6% up. Volume 4 million, 19 million to 19 million. Hengyuan 700 over 1,000 to 5 million. Still okay lah. Okay, still okay. Petronas Chemical. Okay, Petronas Chemical just staying there. Still okay. Petron up 3%. Petron very near to break resistance 4.1 here already. 4.1. So. But okay lah, we want to see lah. If you are short term, then this is the target already. If you are longer term, maybe you want to wait. I'm not saying longer term it must go up, but it still got potential lah. Because the war is still no news of this escalation yet lah. We haven't heard any this escalation news. Trump say maybe he confident they will strike a deal lah. But we have to wait and see lah. Okay, see what this Iran what are the further this news coming out from Iran Okay, further development Okay, Westport today very strong. Okay, Westport, but Westport already hit the top channel so I'm not keen also to chase in Okay, see Westport right, actually it has a kind of a a kind of channel so it really hit the top channel. I'm not keen on this one also. Genting Malaysia, Genting Plantation, sorry. Genting Plantation. Okay, Genting Plantation. Not enough. Okay, Genting Plantation probably you want it to break through 5.06 first lah. For it to have a strong rebound. Genting Plantation got some movement today, but STG also trying to break out. Okay, also have some momentum. You have to see this is one day or it can continue. Tomorrow want to see whether it can break to 4.72. Now it's 4.7 if you can break 4.72 next, maybe this is coming this Plantation finally so it's a bit odd we see this Plantation not moving, but the oil is going up but normally they are correlated Okay. AXIATA trying to break out 7 million to 10 million, so trying to break out. So okay, we look at GenP. Look at the volume. Forgot to look at the volume. See GenP volume. 300,000, 200,000, 300. Not much. Not a lot of volume. ST got 3. Okay, SD got 2.9 million to 3.7 million, so there is not that much. There is increase but not like very aggressive SOP. SOP okay. SOP looks like we got head and shoulder here. So SOP looks better lah. Okay. SOP looks better. SOP as long as stay above 3 ringgit, I think SOP got chance. It's the one that have this head and shoulder pattern. Your SOP is a better one. Okay, looks better. JPG. Also today all these Plantation starting to move lah. JPG breaking out. So JPG might got something coming. Okay. Okay, JPG also looks good. For it to push another leg up, another push up. So JPG and this one SOP are the better one. Okay, looks better. MC holding not much, still not breaking up. UUE. Okay, UE still okay lah. You still have big head and shoulder, probably still can go. Want to see JPG, what's the volume? Okay, 3.8 million and 3.8 million okay lah, not extremely strong but they be starting to see increased volume lah. I mean not to say explosive volume lah, but starting to see heavier volume in to this Plantation lah. Okay. So that's it for today lah. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.